304 kilowatts, or you can tell us what brand of the motor you want. Nowadays we are customize our motor and oil pumps from our very famous motor factory, okay? Because we have to ensure the steady quality of our machines, okay? And we can customize as per your requirements, okay? So also about if you have any idea about the production quantity per hour, or even the operation panel requirements, like here, this model is our numerical control operation panel. We can also make it as a button type, or even touch screen operation panel. All of these can be customized accordingly, okay? And even the appearance of the hose crimping machines, we also have several styles for your choice, okay?